So what was this event and what you have won for Goa?
Uh, it was South Asian Bodybuilding Championship, which was recently held at Maldives, and South Asian country participated. Our boys did exceptionally well in this event. First time Goa won medals for India, for the country. Out of three boys, we won two bronze medals for the country and one fourth place, which is considered as the best performance. We missed third bronze medal very in fractions, but we considered in bodybuilding fourth place and fifth place is considered to be best performance. I, on behalf of Goa, thank Goan government, which has supported us. Last month we held South Asian selection in Goa, South Asian selection trials in Goa.
So they were representing Goa or they were
India,
representing
India. And the first time in history of Goan bodybuilding, uh, our boys done very well and won medals for India.
Sumit Naik.
Myself, Vijay Narayan Sudar.
Gaurish Kinliga from Penem.
So in brief, can you tell us how are you preparing for such events or competitions?
Actually, the preparation starts from 12 weeks. And actually, for a competition, we need exactly at least 12 to 16 week to get ready for a competition. And it was very difficult for me. For personally, I'm talking about my personal experience. It was very difficult for me because I was staying away from my family and I was doing everything by alone. So it was difficult for me, but it was finally worth it. And I had a good experience.
Is there any upcoming event?
Yes. Actually, on November for Mr. World is happening, and Asia, Mr. Asia in September.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.